The Daily Code Snippet. When you want to add an image, you're going to use the image element, which also has different attributes. The source attribute tells the browser where to find the file, so it is important to understand how to create the correct file path. The alt attribute is for alternative text. Alternative text, or alt text, makes your content accessible to those who may be using a screen reader or other assistive device. The title attribute is there so you can provide additional information about an image that may display as a tooltip when the user hovers over the image. The title is similar to a caption. The image element is also an empty element and is written out as image opening tag, source attribute equals file path / image name dot image file format, in quotation marks, alt attribute equals image description, in quotation marks, title attribute equals image information, in quotation marks. In HTML5, the end slash was removed. It takes some practice to write good alt text. Alt text is meant to describe the image, and the typical use case is for someone who is visually impaired using a screen reader. So when writing good alt text, one needs to visually describe the image so that the user is able to understand the content of an image. It is different from the title or caption that is more to tell the user the relevance of the image to the topic at hand. So as an example, we have this image here. An example of alt text for this image would be a low stone wall sculpture snaking around the trees of the forest as it extends up from the edge of a stream located at the Storm King Art Center in New York, created by the artist Andy Goldsworthy. In contrast, the title could be more concise. Andy Goldsworthy's sculpture at the Storm King Art Center in New York. Presented by Designers Learn Code.